Hello folks! Bits and pieces of information about Samsung's high-end smartphones for next year are getting revealed each new week. Last week, a report from Galaxy Club revealed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra uses a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with a 5x optical zoom lens. It is a 1/2.52-inch camera sensor with a 0.7 micrometer pixels PDAF and OIS. This is the same zoom camera that was used in the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Galaxy S25 Ultra. There were rumors about the possibility of Samsung using a 200-megapixel ISOCELL sensor for the Galaxy S26 Ultra's telephoto camera. If the phone has two telephoto cameras, it is now clear that at least one of them uses a 50-megapixel sensor. The information about the second telephoto unit hasn't been revealed yet. As Samsung upgraded from a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera to a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera for the Galaxy S25 Ultra just last year, it will likely continue using it for the Galaxy S26 Ultra as well. Now, the only information that is still missing about the upcoming phone's rear camera setup is its second telephoto sensor. It would be great if the South Korean firm upgrades to a 50-megapixel sensor. A new report sheds some light on the three advantages the phone will get with its display upgrade. Earlier this year, a report claimed that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will have screen that uses a color filter on encapsulation QE OLED panel. Now, reliable tipster Ice Universe confirms this same information. This new technology replaces the traditional polarizer with a color filter and switches the standard pixel definition layer PDL with a black PDL. These structural changes allow a QE OLED panel to be thinner while also offering increased light transmittance and reducing the power consumption. So if the Galaxy S26 Ultra uses a QE OLED panel, its screen will be thinner and it will feature higher brightness and longer battery life. The tipster also claims that the Galaxy S26 Ultra will use a third-generation anti-reflective coating over the display, which should make it easier to view content on the screen even in direct sunlight or around light sources, as the anti-glare coating resists glare and reflections from light sources nearby. Although the Galaxy S26 Ultra is said to feature a 5000 mAh battery similar to that of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, it could still end up offering longer battery life due to its more power-efficient display and its newer processor. It could either use a 203nm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2 chip from Qualcomm. Anyway guys, I will keep you updated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.